Brooklyn Rollover Accident Lawyer. A rollover accident can happen in seconds, leaving behind life-changing injuries, mounting bills, and uncertainty about what comes next. In Brooklyn, where crowded streets and fast-moving traffic meet, these crashes are not uncommon. Knowing how the law works and what steps to take can make a difference in protecting your rights and your recovery. New York law sets specific rules for claims after a rollover. Victims who meet the serious injury threshold defined in insurance law section 5102 are not bound by the no-fault system and may seek full damages from the responsible parties. That means pursuing compensation beyond medical bills, including lost wages and pain and suffering, is possible when the evidence supports it. Insurance companies often push quick, low settlements, but they are not required to account for the long-term effects of a crash. This is why having a lawyer to handle filings, deadlines, and negotiations can be crucial. The path to recovery after a rollover often involves challenging an insurer's version of events. An attorney can gather crash reports, vehicle data, and medical records to show the true extent of your losses. At a law firm like Kucher Law Group, each claim is built carefully with supporting proof, giving leverage when dealing with adjusters who try to undervalue a claim. If you are wondering what a Brooklyn rollover accident lawyer actually does for you, the answer begins with gathering the facts. That includes black box downloads from your vehicle that capture speed, braking, and other data seconds before the crash. Those details, matched with photos and witness statements, can prove how a rollover occurred and why it caused your injuries. The process continues with assembling medical evidence that connects each symptom to the crash, then using that file in negotiations or litigation to pursue compensation. A rollover accident occurs when a vehicle tips onto its side or roof, flipping at least 90 degrees. These accidents often involve taller vehicles like SUVs or vans, which have higher centers of gravity and are more prone to tipping during sharp turns or sudden swerves. Factors such as uneven pavement, potholes, and abrupt lane changes in heavy Brooklyn traffic frequently trigger these incidents. Poor design or lack of safety features in a vehicle may even lead to additional claims under product liability rules if those flaws contributed to the crash. The process of building a claim often begins immediately after the crash. Victims are advised to call the police if there is injury or damage over $1,000, document the scene with photos and videos, and seek prompt medical evaluation to link injuries directly to the accident. These steps preserve critical evidence. Working with a lawyer early ensures that insurers do not pressure you into a quick settlement that fails to cover future treatment or income loss. When you are ready to move forward, Kucher Law Group can guide you through every step, from evidence gathering to negotiation or trial. They focus on rollover accident cases, combining data analysis and legal strategy to secure fair outcomes for clients. To get help with your case, contact Kucher Law Group at 929-563-6780 or visit them at 463 Pulaski Street, No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221, United States.